Hi, this is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets, here with a helpful tip to trade on. This topic today is going to be on trailing stops for larger time frames. I did this particular screenshot off the 1 minute just so you could see the ebb and flow of the market. But for the most part, this was managed on a larger time frame, 5 minute or higher, and was taken off of a 5 minute and a 15 minute signal. When you set a trailing stop, you have to keep in mind that specific pairs will do specific things. The size of your stop is going to be critical in determining what is going to work and what won't. The whole purpose of a trailing stop is to help you automate the management of that trade and to lock in profit and allow gains to take place. The inherent risk is pullbacks. So managing that accordingly is important. Understanding the specific currency pair and its characteristics is valuable. In this particular case, I used a 30 pip trailing stop on the pound New Zealand. Once it had moved into profit, I moved my hard stop just above break even at about 2-3 pips. The trailing stop was then initiated. Each point that it moved from the entry to its peak, this one brought it up to 5 pips per tick profit. This one stayed the same. This one stayed the same. This one brought up a pip. This one brought up another 2 pips. So by the time it got over to here, it was at 8 pips profit, which was still below this swing low. So the object here was for me to just let it do its thing. I wanted to see how far it would go before I got really strong, larger time frame signals. There was a nice news spike here dealing with the Brexit, which actually helped me out a great deal, but had it gone the other way, it would have still taken me out without any loss. I did get a larger time frame exit right here, so took the close for 42 pips. Hope this was helpful for you. If you'd like to learn more, come check us out at forexstrategysecrets.com. You can even email Kirk or myself at jed@forexstrategysecrets.com. We look forward to talking with you. Have a wonderful day. This is Jed Norwood, signing off.